What are wireframes in Figma? How will wireframes help you in collecting ideas? How to make cool wireframes? My name is Andrew, and on my channel, I describe complex functions of programs in simple language. Put a like and see more videos that will help you in simplifying your work. Wireframes is one of the simplest tools for visualizing big ideas. It represents the skeletal structure of a website or digital product. Right now, you're seeing simple wireframes from the Community tab in Figma. You can take the wall as an example. In a wireframe, you describe its appearance in general detail, not telling you about the type of bricks that will be used to build the wall. Wireframes are created by designers, but their idea should be understood by the whole team. For example, the customer, developers, users, or other designers. Wireframes allow you to gather information through usability studies and feedback. Wireframes are very simple, so it's easy for people to focus on functionality and user experience. Don't get hung up on colors and aesthetic aspects of the look and feel. What are the different types of wireframes? There are usually two types of wireframes: low fidelity roof first draft and high fidelity. A low quality wireframe is a quick draft of your product. The high quality one is one step closer to the final product. It has more detail. You can skip the high fidelity wireframe stage and proceed afterwards straight to the prototype. Low fidelity wireframes. The simplest type of wireframe. Paper and pen are enough to present your ideas, but a Figma wireframe will allow you to share them easily. Low-fidelity wireframes are done in shades of grey with an emphasis on layout and interaction. Design elements are represented as basic shapes, squares, circles, lines, etc. High-fidelity wireframes. This stage uses what you created in the previous stage and adds more detail. High-fidelity wireframes include visual markers and branding elements, e.g. colors, graphics, fonts. Also, shadows and textures may already be involved in the design. At this stage, the designer can add images and text. And now some important tips for creating cool, effective wireframes. First tip: look at other people's wireframes and get inspired. You can Google it, or you can open the House tab in Figma, then click Explore Community at the bottom. This will open a new tab and you can search for projects you want. Type wireframes in the search box and get inspired by other people's work. Don't be afraid or embarrassed. It improves your expertise. And expertise is very important in the creative professions. Second tip: use a maximum of 2 fonts and shades of the same color. At the stage of creating the wireframes, colors and typography are not so important. To clarify the hierarchy, you only need 2 fonts. To draw attention, use bold and italics. Third tip: when creating wireframes, consider what screen your user is using. It's important to know what devices your product will be used on. Your product can be used on laptops, phones, tablets. Don't forget about the orientation of the device. There is never a bad time to use wireframes in Figma. If you're trying to explain your idea to someone, get all stakeholders on the same page in Figma, get a group to make a decision, or confirm a plan of action. Visualizing an idea is always the most effective way to do this. And you subscribe to my channel, give me a like and learn more useful features about simple programs.